championship. Please welcome the boxers as they make their way to the ring. First, ladies and gentlemen, here is the challenger, originally from Mexico, now fighting out of Sacramento, introducing Yardley Suarez.
Ito ang kalaban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo na taga Mexico, si Yardley Suarez. Very impressive ang kanyang record, 11 wins, wala pang talo, 8 knockouts. So, hyperactive ang Mexicano to kasi this is his 8th fight for 2015. Siguro mga first round, mga one-rounders.
That's very active.
No? Yeah, that's very active. Nakita natin siya sa weigh-in na talagang tip-top condition, palaban.
Very confident.
Yeah, very confident. He's very young. He's only 20 years old at super tangkad, no? Nandito. So, his last...
featherweight champion from Tagbilaran, Bohol, in the Philippines, Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Ito ang sinasabing isa sa pinaka-talented at promising na fighters ng ALA Promotion, si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Nag-training siya dito sa Wildcard Gym. Manito at very impressed pati si Freddie Roach sa kanyang napakagandang fundamentals. At alam mo, nakakatuwa siya dahil nag-enjoy siya ng todo dito sa Amerika. Pero hindi siya kumain ng marami. Kita mo sa weigh-in, super bato-bato. Natuto ng English. He loves it daw in America. So, this is a very big test for the very young Mark Magsayo.
I've sparred with Mark Magsayo, and he is a very smart fighter, strong and fast. Like Roach said, he has a lot of potential. He just needs to channel that potential into something that will be victorious tonight.
Okay, we are honored to have with us Jimmy Lennon to officially introduce the fighters.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you, and we welcome you to the StubHub Center here in Carson, California, for a big night of action coming your way. It's Pinoy Pride 33, the Philippines versus the world, and it's all brought to you by ALA Promotions International, televised across the globe and made possible by ABS-CBN Sports and Activities and the Filipino Channel. This bout in the ring is sanctioned by the International Boxing Federation. President Darrell Peoples, Supervisor Glenn Hamada. Introducing our 3 judges, scoring from ringside. From La Mesa, California, Pat Russell. From Los Angeles, California, Zach Young. And from Buena Park, California, Jonathan Davis. Our 3rd man to the ring, our referee in charge of the action. Introducing Wayne Hedgepeth. All right, fans, here we go. 10 rounds of boxing scheduled for the IBF Youth Featherweight Championship. Introducing to you first the challenger on my right, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white trunks with purple trim. Fighting out of Sacramento, California, by way of Sinaloa, Mexico. His weight, 125.4 pounds, or 56.9 kilos. He is undefeated in his campaign in the ring with a record of 13 wins, no losses, 8 wins coming by way of knockout. Please welcome the challenger tonight, making his U.S. debut, the undefeated Yardley Suarez. And his opponent across the ring is the defending champion on my left, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black trunks with red trim, hailing from Tagbilaran, Bohol in the Philippines. His weight, 125.4 pounds, or 56.9 kilos. He is undefeated as well in his campaign to the ring with a record of 11 wins, no losses, 9 big wins coming by way of knockout. Please welcome one of the young stars of boxing, the undefeated IBF Youth Featherweight Champion, introducing Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Once again, here's our referee in charge now to give instructions Wayne Hedgepeth.
Okay, we good here? You receive your instructions in the dressing room, obey my commands at all times, and above all, protect yourself at all times. Touch them up, go back to your corners.
Gaya ng sinabi mo na dito, this is a test of mental strength para sa dalawang batang fighter na parehong first time lumalaban sa Amerika. Ayan.
Mark Magsayo, 11-0, 9 KO, 20 and 21 years of age. They're just about the same age. 168 meters in height. 3 knockdown rules in effect. No standing 8 count. Cannot be saved by the bell in any round. Only the referee can stop the fight.
Okay, so this is a 10-round fight para sa IBF Youth Featherweight Championship. Mark Magnifico Magsayo naka-black at ang kanyang kalaban mula Mexico nakaputi, si Suarez.
Matangkad talaga to si Suarez. I couldn't see it earlier. So you can see the difference now.
Pero this is a really malaking test para kay Magsayo, who they say was magnificent in sparring. So good kaagad siya,
He
trying
just
to be aggressive.
needs to calm down, to relax, and stay with the game plan. Kasi minsan, makikita mo yung aggressiveness because of the nervousness.
Good left-right combination mula kay Magsayo. That tells a good statement early on. Importante yung mga unang landing.
Well, it did solidify a
Ayun.
good counter straight
Wow.
and a body.
Ang ganda ng straight ni Magsayo.
Good combination. That was a very good combination from Magsayo.
Oh,
feint.
solid.
Good
Did you
feint.
see that body shot? Wow. It's got the power, huh?
I'm very impressed right now.
Oh, whoa.
Very impressed with Magsayo. The way he's feinting. The way he's looking at the opponent. Although, we don't know kasi hindi natin alam kasi yung mga Mexicano mabagal. They're slow starters. Oh, very good left hook again.
Oh, solid.
Oh, very good.
Pero nandiyan lang si Suarez, oh. Parang hindi siya nasasaktan. But let's
But
see.
you have to be aware kasi malakas din to si Suarez with his record. Oh, good overhand. He's out.
Wow.
One left hook.
What a machine. Mark Magnifico
Very good.
Magsayo. A flurry and
Out. That was a good combination
Suarez
though.
is down. Unang round pa lang. Wow.
I'm very impressed with Mark Magsayo right now.
Can you continue?
I mean,
Nakita mo yung power and speed.
tsaka yung timing niya, no? Ito, hataw. Muli si Magsayo. Oh gosh. This is
uppercut.
Second the fight.
Wala na. Beautiful fight. Wow, I am very, very impressed with Magsayo right now. Very impressed.
Ang bagyo na ang pangalan Magsayo. Yan ang dumating ngayon
From
sa
Bohol.
ring. Whoa.
And a backflip.
So happy for him.
Wow.
Did you see that though?
I was very. I've seen this guy. I've sparred with this guy, and I know his capability. But the way he went in there, parang nothing could stop him.
Like a veteran.
Just like a veteran.
Exactly.
I was very worried ako kanina because nung nag-sparring kami, he gets really wild. And then he started to do that early on, but then puminto siya, and then he was starting to counter, and that's what got the Mexican fighter.
Woo! Wow, I knew he was good, but now I'm really impressed.
Well, you can't have Roach say that you have a lot of potential, without showing it. He showed it tonight, and that was just an amazing display of Magsayo.
Watch
Oh,
out
wow.
para sa pangalan na ito, Magsayo. Look at that physique too. He's a hard worker.
Now he wants to learn to speak proper English.
Yeah, I know. Sabi nga niya sa akin sa weigh-in, gusto niya impressive kasi gusto niya palaging lumaban sa Amerika. Well, okay, panoorin muli natin nito, ang demolition job.
That was after he hurt Suarez, and then he went in to finish him with combination. And nakita mo naman, ang lakas ng tinapo ni Magsayo. Not only that, it's in volume.
Tama. Tingnan natin mula ang unang
The
knockdown.
overhand, that's what hurt Suarez, and then the finishing to put him down.
Confident. Woohoo! At the ito, hindi na tinigilan ni Magsayo.
Although, that was the uppercut that got Suarez.
All kinds of shots
Lahat
coming
ng
from everywhere.
tinapon ni Magsayo, ang lakas.
Ooh,
Malalakas lahat. Wow, I'm very impressed.
Congratulations, Magnifico. We're going to go now to Jimmy Lennon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the time of 2 minutes even in round number 1. Our referee has seen enough. He is the winner by way of knockout. He is still undefeated. One of the young stars of boxing today, the IBF Youth Featherweight Champion, Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Okay, panoorin po muna natin ulit.
The combination from Magsayo, up and down, and then the final uppercut, and down goes Suarez. And the referee stops the fight.
Good call by the referee.
I think he was very hurt, and at any moment in time, baka masaktan lang eh.
Alam mo, hindi ko akalain na ganito ka-ikli ang magiging laban, no? I mean, woo. Mark Magnifico Magsayo picks up his
Definitely Magnifico.
12th win, 10 knockouts. He's going to be a very happy man. So, watch out for this name, Mark Magnifico Magsayo. He retains the IBF title. Okay, magbabalik po ang Pinoy Pride 33 mula sa StubHub Center sa Carson, California.